In this video, I'm going to show you how admin can see all the doctors' information. Here you can see we have one option, and that is add doctors. So admin can add doctors. Now we'll add here one more link, and that is view doctors. Okay. So let's go to the code editor here, and here we are going to go to the resources and then views and then admin folder. And here we have main design, right? So we have to change something from here, and we have all the link here. You can see drop down, and let's say view underscore doctors, the route name. So let's go copy this route name and let's create a route. So we have to go to the routes and then web.php. Here we are going to create for the admin, right? So here you can see we have admin, so we are going to create here, okay, the new route. So view doctors, I'm going to actually copy the first route because it will be a get route. Okay, copy it, paste it here, cut it from here and change the name. Let's change the function name also, and here the URL is also view doctors. Okay, so now it will go to the admin controller, and then we have to actually create a function view doctors. So let's copy this and go to the app http controllers admin controllers. Here we are going to create a function. So I'm going to say public function view doctors. Okay guys, let me turn on my mouse cursor highlighter. Okay, so this is free, you can actually use it, right? So now here I'm going to say that return view. I'm going to return a view from here, and the view is we haven't actually created the view, right? So we'll actually create it inside admin folder. So I'm going to say view name will be view doctors, view underscore doctors dot blade dot php. So it will actually go here. So here we are going to say that view underscore doctors, but it's inside admin folder, right? So we have to mention the folder at first, admin dot viewers. So here we actually want to fetch all the data from the database, I mean for all the doctors, and we'll compact it with this. So here I'm going to say $doctors is equal to, I'm going to say doctor colon all. Let me check that we have, okay, so we have used here doctor models, right? Okay, so now I'm going to actually compact here. So I'm going to say compact, and the variable would be doctors. Now let's go to the view doctors, and here we are going to extend it, I mean extend the main design. So I'll say extends main design, right? Design, DESIGN. Okay, but it's inside admin, so I have to say admin dot main design. And now I'm going to create a section here so that I can yield it. So let's say here view underscore doctors, right? Yeah, and let's end the section also, end section. So here I'm going to show all the doctors information. So I need a table for this. So I'll say here that, okay, I'm going to say div, but before that actually I'm going to yield it. So let's copy it, go to the main design, okay, inside admin. So here we are going to yield it. So let's go to the yield option here, and let's add it here, and I'll change it. Okay, no problem. Let's cut it from here. Let's change the name. Okay, done. So we have yielded it, we don't need to worry about it. Now let's go here, and here we are going to actually show all the things. Okay, so at first I'm going to actually show here a table, and here we are going to actually show tr. Okay, and we have th, but before that actually I want to say here the table head for the table and t body for the table body. Okay, so t body for the table body, and in the head we have to at first say that a row and then all the column. Let's say th, and we have how many column actually we want to show. Let me check. Let's go to the database, and here in the hospital we have here doctors table. Here we have doctor name, phone number, specialty, room number, doctor email. So we can actually add all of them. Okay, I mean we want to fetch name, phone, then specialty, room number, doctor email. So 5 column. Okay, so let's go add here 5 columns. So I'm going to copy this and add 4 more times. 2 4 5. All right, done. Now here I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here, and now it should be TD. Okay, TD, and we have to actually copy it 5 times. 4 5. And here at first okay, so I have to mention all the column name at first. Okay, so let's go to the structure and I will copy from here. Okay, so first of all, doctor's name, let's say I will say name, then phone, okay, and then specialty, then room number, so I'll say room, then emails, right? Okay, room number, then we have emails. So here I'm going to now fetch all the data. So we have admin controller here, and we are actually we have compact here, right? Doctors. So I'm going to copy it, and I will say that at for each, and here I'm going to say $doctors as $doctor. Now we'll fetch individual things, but before that I'm going to actually end for each here, and here first of all I have to say $doctor, okay, let me copy this. Okay, all right, now here we'll actually mention all the column step by step. So doctor name first, let's go, then doctor phone, then specialty, then room number, then doctor emails. But we have to actually keep them inside double curly braces because it's blade syntax. Okay, okay, now here you can see let me just go at first let's check, okay, if it's working perfectly. So let's check it. If I refresh, we should have here one more option, that is view doctors. If I click on view doctors, and here you can see we have name, phone number, specialty, room number, emails. Name, but we haven't actually get the emails because we just get the email's name and we haven't actually fetch it, right? So we know we have added the image as a string, right? I mean as number, but in database we cannot actually add the image. So we have stored all the images in the public folder, and then project image, right? So I have to mention here it. So here I'm going to say img tag, and in the source I have to mention at first asset, okay, and here I have to mention the folder name, and that is project image, project underscore img, right? And then I have to say slash, then dot, then this one. Okay guys, and now in the altar also we can actually say here like this, and I can say here that, okay, all right, so I don't need this. Now let's check. If I refresh, here we have all the images, right? Let's just say here style width, let's say 100 pixel. Refresh, and here we go. So we have all the images. So now you can see we have fetched all the data from the database. Now you may actually design the whole table, okay? It's up to you how you want to actually design them, okay? That's it. So we have fetched all the doctors data from the database, right? So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.